Hello, my name is Miss Belvedere, and I teach Modern World History for your students. I'm really excited for this year because honestly, Modern World History has always been my favorite subject as a social studies teacher to teach. And although that it's been a little bit testing and trying to do remote teaching, I'm really excited to be able to get to know your students hopefully soon with hybrid learning, and then as we move forward with more Zoom calls and different types of virtual learning as well. Throughout the year, we're going to be learning everything basically from the Middle Ages all the way up until World War II and the Cold War. And so this whole year is going to be really exciting because we're going to be learning about multiple things that students might hear about in the news and they might reference to in the world around them in their English classes and so forth. And so I'm pretty excited. In my class, I do something called standards-based grading. This is a system where everything that I grade is graded on a 4-point scale. With that 4-point scale, it helps keep students accountable for each assignment that they do instead of just allowing them to rack up as many points as possible and then say, for example, like, oh, I have enough points, I don't need to do the final, or I don't need to study for the final, and then they blow off the final. Having this system of grading, if you guys have noticed from the gradebook, it allows students to be accountable and held accountable for each assignment that they do in class. My family is also from Argentina, so if you do need me to speak Spanish or if you need to write emails to me in Spanish, please let me know. Whatever you need to communicate, let me know as well. I'm more than happy to email with you. I check my email on a daily basis. I can also do any phone conferences or Zoom conferences as well. If you have any questions about class this year, please let me know and don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day. Bye.